Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Aflac, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Aflac, visit their official website. Create an account by providing your personal information. Ensure you have the necessary identification documents ready. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the platform's dashboard. Explore the various investment options Aflac offers. Review the details and risks associated with each investment option. Decide on your investment goals and objectives. Consider how much money you are willing to invest. Select the investment products that align with your goals. Add the chosen products to your investment portfolio. Review your selection and confirm the investment. Set up a funding source to finance your investments. Monitor your investment performance regularly. Stay informed about market changes and Aflac's updates. Make adjustments to your portfolio as needed over time. Utilize Aflac's educational resources for further guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.